Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So by the title, you already know what this video is about. And yes, I created my own lipstick. I'm so happy to finally be sharing this news with you guys because I've been working on this lipstick for some months now. I think I've been working on it since like April or March. No, I've been working on this lipstick since March. It's now November, so it's been a hot minute. I've been testing it out. I've been trying different formulas, different shades. So yeah, let's just get into all the good fun stuff. So with my lipstick, I knew right off the bat that I wanted to do a nude lipstick because if you guys know me or you've been following me for quite some time, then you know I keep it very basic, very simple. So I already knew that I wanted my lipstick to be something that I myself would wear every day, whether I'm wearing a full face of makeup or no makeup, mascara, or just eyebrows. I wanted it to be something that's not, you know, like super bam, like you need to be done up to wear this, because that's not me. With that being said, here's my lipstick. I designed this packaging and I just think it's so cute. It's so like classy and gorgeous. So I chose like a gold marble and I just love the packaging so much. On the outside it just says Lakiastar, and then the inside it has the actual lip product. Yeah, I'm not actually wearing the lipstick on my lips right now because I wanted to kind of show you guys how I wear it and options that you can wear. When I was making this lipstick, I wanted to make sure it was going to be brown girl friendly. I wanted to make sure like everyone could wear it and feel comfortable in it. I wanted the formula to be spot on. I wanted it to be super moisturizing and not drying because I have a bunch of lipsticks and you guys know I love matte lipsticks. If I'm wearing anything glossy, it's just a clear gloss. Like my lipstick formula of choice is matte everything. So my lipstick is a matte liquid lipstick, which I love. I have a bunch of matte liquid lipsticks, and yeah, so I was super excited that I got to create my own matte liquid lipstick. So my lipstick name is Nude Star. My internet name is Lakiastar, so I just wanted to keep it cohesive. You know, I wanted it to flow. So Lakiastar, Nude Star, I just thought that was just so cute and so me. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the lipstick here. Here she is out the packaging. I don't have anything on my lips but a little bit of Vaseline that I'm actually going to wipe off. So my lipstick is cruelty free. There's no parabens, there's no gluten, there's nothing harmful in my lipstick. It's very nice. It has antioxidants, it has vitamin A, vitamin E. It's just really nourishing for the lips. So I wear my lipstick and I wear it all day and I forget that it's still on my lips because it's such a soft formula. It doesn't dry your lips out, it doesn't leave your lips cracked, it feels like there's nothing on your lips, which I absolutely love. So we're gonna go ahead and put some of this Lakiastar Nude Star on. So again, there's nothing on my lips. I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways that I wear the lipstick, so you know, you can, you know, rock out, do it how you want to do it. So I'm just going to go in with the lipstick by itself with nothing. So it's just a regular doe foot applicator, and we're just going to put this on. So as you can see, it's more of like a brown nude. I think my color is very universal. It's going to work for everybody, light or dark. I do a lot of this to kind of spread the product out. Kind of spread it all around. This is just the lipstick straight onto my lips, and as you can see, it's drying down. It dries down pretty quickly and I absolutely love it because once it's dry, literally you cannot feel it on your lips. It's so comfortable. Like I said, I wear it all day and I forget that I'm even wearing it until I'm like, oh, I still got lipstick on. So yeah, here's the lipstick. So cute. I just absolutely love the shade. I think it goes really well with brown tan skin tones, but of course I want my lipstick to work for everybody, so whether you're light or dark, you can definitely wear my lipstick. So if you're not a fan of matte lipsticks, of course you can put chapstick on underneath this and then put the lipstick on top, or you can top it off with a gloss. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with a little bit of gloss on top. So if you're into the glossy look, you can just add a little bit of gloss on top and rock out. Like, I love it. So cute with gloss. Oh my god, you guys, this is a look. So yeah, this is the lipstick with just gloss on top. We're gonna wipe this off. Now we're going to go in with a lip liner. If you're not comfortable just wearing lipstick right out and you feel like you need a lip liner, I like it both ways. So I'm going to go in with MAC Chestnut. So lips are lined, and then we're just going to go in with Nude Star. I feel like I'm so annoying when I'm putting on lipstick because I just work it in this way. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with a little bit more lip liner. Okay, so here's what my lipstick looks like paired with MAC Chestnut. Of course, it doesn't have to be chestnut. It could be any variation of brown lip liner that you choose, but that's what I have. So yeah, here's my lipstick with just a brown lip liner. Super cute. I kind of like it with the lip liner only because I kind of feel like I don't have like a defined lip shape. So using a lip liner definitely helps me find that line. So yeah, so cute. You did that. If you're not a matte lip girl, of course you can add your lip liner, the lipstick, and you can top it with a gloss. If, you know, matte isn't your thing, this still can work for you. So yeah, we're just gonna add a little bit of gloss. Voila. Super cute. And this is just a e.l.f. lip gloss. I absolutely love this lip gloss. It's just a clear gloss. So my lipstick will be available Thursday, November 15th. It's going to be available on IGXO Cosmetics website. I have a link in the description box for you guys to just go straight to it. The retail price for the lipstick is $17, but if you use my coupon code to purchase, you will get $5 off. So $12 for this lipstick in this cute A box. $12 for the lipstick. I will have my coupon code in the description box for you guys. I can't wait to see you guys rocking the lipstick. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on it. I mean, without you guys, this opportunity definitely wouldn't have came my way. So I'm forever grateful. I thank you guys so much for always supporting me in my inconsistentness. But I thank you guys so much. So I hope you enjoyed the lipstick as much as I do. So yeah, that concludes this very special video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.